Hey everyone. Okay, we are officially in Sasquatch camp base. Found a pretty good squatchy area. Go hunting in. Jim thinks we're elk hunting, but we're Sasquatch hunting. And we might just find the elk by hunting the Sasquatch because everybody knows Sasquatch likes to eat elk. We've begun the hunt for Sasquatch. And we're now sticking to what locals do, you know? A lot of locals just go hiking and report hearing and seeing Sasquatch. So we're on a local trail today, scouting things out. Yeah, I think it looks squatchy. I mean, can you get any better than that mist that's back there?
Locals smoke a lot of weed too.
There is that. But the mist, it's all about the mist. Sasquatch has got to be back there in that mist. Okay, so here's the situation. We're pretty sure we're on the trail of Sasquatch, and we found one of their signs. Everybody talks about these like U-shaped, you know, they bend the trees, but what we're discovering is they do stuff with the bear grass that no human can do. This right there, see how it's looped around? They do that as a sign. They make it so they know that they've been through here, and when humans come through, they know they screwed it up. So we're on their trail. There's a lake back there. Pretty sure that's a Squatch area. We might have to come back in tonight. We'll find out. Jim thinks we're elk hunting still, so yeah. See how it goes. I don't think my deodorant's working.
Why do you say that, buddy?
Because I put it on. Does it smell like I put it on?
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's really me or if it's just like this kind of stuff doesn't really get cleaned good enough.
Mm.
Do you think Sasquatch would like it though? I bet he likes stinky stuff.
This is my hunting partner.
Could you hear that? That was Sasquatch. And I'm pretty sure he's feasting on something right now because it is crazy out there. Could be coyote, maybe, but pretty sure it's not. We are in Sasquatch country and he's hungry. I think we're on Sasquatch's trail. We just found one of those U's that a lot of people talk about. I know they say there are cross paths with sticks, but they also do bend trees as well. I will admit to that. And I do think we found one. Pretty sure that right there is one of those bent trees by Sasquatch. We're in Squatch territory. Hey, little snake. Oh, Norse. Oh, he didn't like that. Oh, he doesn't like Norse around.